The Legion Go 2 tried to be a laptop in handheld form. Big screen, detachable controllers, everything about it felt like it was aiming for more than just gaming. But at the end of the day, it was still missing one thing: a real laptop-class CPU. And now, we've got a handheld that actually has it. The GPD Win 5. It's packing AMD's brand new Ryzen AI chips, and it's pushing into territory we've rarely seen in a device this size. Could this be the handheld the Go 2 never managed to be, or will it fall flat with its unusual battery design? The Win 5 almost feels like a modern PSP or Vita. Of course it's larger, but the rounded edges, comfortable grips, and buttons all look familiar. Except for the battery at the back. There's no internal battery at all. Instead, the Win 5 relies entirely on a detachable 80-watt-hour external battery pack. You can clip it to the back for a normal handheld experience, or keep it lighter by running the battery in your bag with a cable. It's an unusual solution, but it also means you can hot swap batteries on the fly, something you won't find on a Steam Deck Alley or even in a Go 2. The Win 5's display is a 7-inch 1080p IPS panel with 120Hz refresh rate and FreeSync support. Of course, you're not getting the same deep blacks or punchy colors as an OLED, but 120Hz on a handheld this powerful makes a huge difference in responsiveness. It's bright, it's fluid, and it pairs well with the kind of high frame rates the new Ryzen AI chips can push. GPD gave this handheld a serious controller setup. You've got Hall effect sticks, adjustable trigger locks for hair trigger or full pull, a fingerprint power button, and even an optical finger mouse for navigating windows without needing a touchscreen. The D-pad takes inspiration from the PS Vita, a favorite among fighting game fans. The real headline here is performance. GPD offers two configurations. Both chips are based on AMD's Zen 5 architecture, and benchmarks show them hitting levels that rival RTX 4060 laptop performance. Frame generation and FSR add even more headroom, giving smooth results even at modest power draw. And continuing from that design choice, the battery is where things really get interesting. The GPD Win 5 relies fully on that 80-watt-hour external battery. That may sound clunky, but the idea here is that you have to carry the battery only when you need it. And while you can change it on the fly, the process definitely is not as short as putting the device to sleep and waking it up. With light indie games at lower wattages, you can stretch the battery to 7 or 8 hours. Push it to something mid-range at around 25 watts and you'll see about 2 hours. Go full power at 45 watts or higher, and it will last just over an hour. That's not amazing compared to others, but the trade-off is clear. Of course, the external pack does add bulk. It's not as sleek as your regular handhelds, and if portability is your top priority, that's going to bug you. But I see this as GPD leaning into their niche. They're giving enthusiasts an option that no one else does. And while it might not appeal to everyone, if you remember swapping batteries on older phones back in the day, this design might actually feel kind of useful. When it comes to price, the GPD Win 5 starts at about $1,400, which can go up to $2,000 or more. That's a serious jump, even compared to premium handhelds like the Legion Go 2. And this is what's been eating at a lot of people. Some see it as overpriced, a niche toy for enthusiasts. Others see it as the first true step toward a handheld that closes the gap to a gaming laptop. Yes, it's expensive, but when you factor in what you're actually getting, laptop class performance, a 120Hz screen, detachable battery system, you realize it's not trying to be a Steam Deck competitor. For me, that's what makes it interesting. It's not for everyone, and that's okay. If you just want a solid handheld, the Deck OLED or Ally X make way more sense. But if you're the kind of person who likes being on the edge of new hardware, a laptop APU and a handheld, then the Win 5 might actually feel worth it.